The famous Keta Lagoon resort, which was built in 2013, got abandoned for several years now. It is unknown the reason for its abandon. It was one of the Ghana's finest and uniquely built resorts which serve as an attraction site in the Volta region. When driving from Accra to Keta, it is just 3 hours 4-minute drive from Accra. We just don't know the main reason for it to be abandoned. Let's get close to this very resort and look at what exactly happened to it. Remember to subscribe to Exploring with Everlove and be part of this great family. Today I am here at the Keta municipality just to explore the famous Lagoon resort that has been abandoned for so many years now. The famous resort that has made Keta proud. I am here once again to explore it, how abandoned it was, and let's go over here and see what exactly is happening here. We don't actually know what is the main reason behind the collapse of this very resort. So follow me, let's go over there and explore what exactly happened to this very Lagoon resort. Let's go and then watch whatever. Remember, share, like and subscribe to our channel and be part of this great family.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Since the abandon of these very beach resorts, Lagoon resorts, all their things have been abandoned here. If you can see, the speedboat that have been abandoned here is still here, and it's here. No one touches it. I can't just imagine. Check it out. Check this one out. Yes, this is also another abandoned speedboat. It is here being abandoned for a year, over here. Coming closer to the resort, the abandoned resort, this is the thing. You can see how it is. I'm trying the possible best to go closer to whatever is it over here for you to see. So remember, subscribe to Exploring with Everlove and be part of this great family. Thank you. here it is, and it is very sad to see this very facility that goes down just like that. And it is very surprising that upon going closer to it to watch some of the things, we've seen that some of the bottles, some of items that have been used over here during those times are still here. And I'm so sad at the moment to see this very big resort that has put Keta on the map over here collapse with nothing being done about it. And we just don't know what exactly is behind the collapse of these very lagoon resorts. Remember, subscribe to the channel and be part of exploring with Everlove and be part of this great channel. And then let's explore Ghana, let's explore Volta, let's explore everything around us. Thank you.